Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your language on your Phoenix browser. So it's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So launch your app like this. So on here, after launching your app, just move to your Me here, which is your account. So tap on that here. And now you move to your settings like this. So here you can change your language. You can see languages here. So now let's tap on the language there. You can see it's using my device language and you can choose English, French, and the rest. So when you choose French here, it's going to change. So it's going to restart to take effect. So let me restart it. And the app is going to restart itself. And then after that, it's going to change to French. So now let me come here. Let me come here like this. And you can see everything is French here. Now let me come to my settings here. And you can see this is French too as well. So I move to my settings. If you don't understand French, you just move to your settings like this. So you can see this side is the language. Once again, I choose that and then I choose English and it's going to restart itself just like it did the other time. And then you restart. So that's it on how you can change your language on your Phoenix browser. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.